Can a headache be a sign of heart attack? If there are no serious underlying conditions, a person can expect their headache and chest pain to subside with minimal intervention. In these cases, long-term effects are unlikely. If there is an underlying condition, treating this should provide the individual with symptom relief. However, the recovery from other conditions can take a long time. People should seek medical attention immediately if they have unexplained pain in the chest or if other symptoms are present. A headache is not a common symptom of a heart attack. Severe chest pain is the primary symptom. According to the American Heart Association, the additional early signs of a heart attack may include a feeling of fullness or tightness in the chest that may come and go, shortness of breath, pain or discomfort in the jaw, stomach, back, or one or both arms, cold sweat, nausea or vomiting, lightheadedness. The American Heart Association also noted that women are more likely than men to experience other symptoms of a heart attack. The other symptoms can be confusing and prevent a person from realizing that they are having a heart attack. It is essential for everyone experiencing a feeling of tightness or pressure in the chest to seek medical attention immediately. Early help during a heart attack can help the outcome. Can high blood pressure cause both symptoms? Some people believe that high blood pressure can cause headaches, chest pain, and dizziness. However, the American Heart Association say that high blood pressure usually has no symptoms at all, unless a person is having a hypertensive crisis, which refers to a blood pressure of 180 by 120 or higher. A hypertensive crisis is a medical emergency, so it is vital to call the emergency services if the following symptoms occur: chest pain, headache, a nosebleed, severe anxiety, shortness of breath, back pain, changes in vision.